Unraveling Medical Jargon, Chronic Diseases Unveiled. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we will be diving into the realm of professional medical vocabulary, focusing specifically on chronic diseases. If you are into the medical field or just want to increase your English vocabulary in a specialized context, then you are in the right place. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of some commonly used terms for chronic diseases and be able to use them accurately in sentences. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by a chronic disease. In simple terms, a chronic disease is a condition that lasts 1 year or more and requires ongoing medical attention or limits activities of daily living or both. Examples include diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Use these words in sentences like, "My grandmother has been battling chronic heart disease for several years." Now, let's delve into the specifics. Some common chronic diseases that you should be aware of include asthma, a condition that causes breathing difficulties. You might say, the high pollen count outside exacerbates her asthma. Arthritis, inflammation of one or more joints causing pain and stiffness. For instance, my uncle has arthritis, and cold weather makes it worse. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure. Use it like, due to his stressful lifestyle, he was diagnosed with hypertension. Alzheimer's disease, a progressive disorder that causes brain cells to waste away and die, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. For example, researchers are still seeking a cure for Alzheimer's disease. Understanding how lifestyle can impact chronic diseases is key. Some chronic diseases are heavily influenced by lifestyle factors. Here are some related terms. Obesity, excessive body weight for a given height, often linked to diet and exercise habits. For instance, he changed his diet and started exercising to combat his obesity. Sedentary, a lifestyle with little to no physical activity, often linked to many chronic diseases. For example, the doctor advised him against leading a sedentary lifestyle. That brings us to the end of our lesson on chronic diseases. Remember, understanding and using this specialized vocabulary not only enhances your English language skills but also helps in making more effective communication in professional or academic settings. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next session where we will continue to explore more interesting topics in the realm of advanced English vocabulary. Happy learning!